This is very exciting. You can now earn high ticket sales with only 20 bucks. With only 20 bucks, you can earn high ticket income and also residual income and other types of income as well with $20. So if you're in a place where, you're on a shoestring budget, you just don't have much money, you really need to get more money coming in, pay attention to what I'm going to share with you because this is a real opportunity. This is an opportunity for you to totally turn things around if you want to for a very, very small amount of income. So what am I talking here about? I'm talking about something called the Automatic Duplication System, where we have Sparky, or Sparky AI is what is known as well. And this system is a completely done for you system. Leads are provided for you, follow-up is done for you, closing your sales is done for you, onboarding is done for you, and training is done for you. Literally every single thing you need to do to make money online is done for you. All right, so how does this $20 thing work? Well, we have a brand new funnel. This is the funnel page. You're looking at this, you get this page as well when you decide to get started. And you can use this page as well. It's done, already done. You don't have to create it. It's very, very simple. You grab your link, which my link is right here, and you share it. That's it. But the system itself provides leads and all of that as well. But what I want to talk to you about is just $20 where you can make high ticket income, where you can make residual income. Again, with $20, it's ridiculous. It's craziness, right? 20 bucks. So we have this brand new funnel. Go in and watch this. Click on the link below in the description, and it's going to take you to this page. You can go ahead and watch this video, and you're going to see the offer where you can get started for literally just $20. And when you get started for $20, it unlocks the ability for you to earn residual income and also earn from the various products within the Sparky system. Now, the Sparky system is designed to create multiple streams of income. So we do have some third-party offers in there, some third-party income streams, and you can add two of your own as well within the system. But what I'm talking about in this video is strictly you pay 20 bucks, you are now qualified to be able to earn high ticket income and various other types of income as well, including residual income. It's insane. Like I've never seen anything like it. So watch the video, click here to get your free trial. Go ahead and purchase a membership. Now we have different memberships. Let me just show you this, okay? So you can see right here, 20 bucks, right here, 20 bucks is the offer you're going to get available to. There are other offers and there are some really great incentives where you can get way more value if you decide you want to go bigger. But I'm making this video to show you that even with just $20, so maybe you're in a place where like, man, I really wish I had more money. I don't have enough to start something to really get paid anything significant. Well, now you do. $20. Go to the description, click on the link, decide to get started right now because this is an amazing opportunity that, I've been marketing online, I've been making money online since 2012. I've been without a job since 2013, job optional. Okay, so I've never seen an offer where you can take 20 bucks and you can make the amount of income you can make within this system. It's craziness. It really is. It's even crazier to say no. Like if you're in a position where you need to make more money, you're saying no to 20 bucks, like you just don't want to do anything. That's what that boils down to. I mean, this is a tremendous opportunity for very, very little money. And yes, you can join for free. Okay, I'm not going to go over all these. I've gone over these in other videos. This video strictly, I want to show you what you can do with a freaking $20. With $20, okay? So I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to show you, okay? So you can earn on the memberships, okay? Residual income. You can earn on these 20 bucks. Okay, now we're going to come into what we call the ad packs. Okay, these are for people that really just want everything to be completely hands off. They want to go the extra mile, right? They want to make sure they have everything going for them. So what these advertising packages are for, are there for you to be able to be hands free. They're going to go out and do the advertising. It's for people in the USA that are network marketers. And all the advertising that's being done is going directly to these advertising packages. I'm not going to go deep into what these are. This whole video is just about showing you what is possible with 20 bucks, okay? So whether you want to purchase these or not, you could still earn commissions on them. That's how powerful this is. With a $20 membership, you can earn on the memberships. You can earn on the packages, on the ad packs, and you can also, if I come down here, you can earn on the builder tools. Okay, all these things you can earn on, and people are purchasing these things. You can earn on these with 20 bucks. I'm going to keep saying this because it's ridiculous. It's so low cost with such a high ROI. I just don't see you finding this anywhere else. I haven't found it. I haven't seen it. So again, if you're in a position where you need to make more money, go get started. Don't wait. Go get started. And I'm not trying to be like, hey, forcing you to do something you don't want to do. I'm just saying, like, look, it's an opportunity where you can earn significant income by literally just getting started at 20 bucks. They're going to give you 25 leads to start with that are going to be called, are going to be, followed up with, closed, voicemail drop, all that stuff. We got a phone team that's also going to follow up with your leads. I do recommend, and I'm happy to show you what I do to generate your own leads too. Why not? If you need more money, you might as well, right? This is a huge opportunity. So here we go. Let's just say you got started 20 bucks. Okay, now you are qualified to earn. I need you to look to this left side right here. Okay, one times commission payout right here. $75. We're going to keep going up. Okay, $225. This is with 20 bucks. You're qualified to earn these commissions. $450. I'm going to keep going. $900. It keeps going up. $1,350 with 20 bucks. 20 bucks, you could earn this. 54, I'm sorry, $2,475. Again, you started with 20 bucks. Is that a good deal? $4,050. Okay. And then there is one more on here that for whatever reason I'm not seeing, but it goes all the way up to $16,500. Again, you can earn this on a $20 membership. So how does that work? How do you earn that? Well, this is what happens. You bring people into the system. They get live onboarded when they come into the system. Yes, we have live onboarding, live. Like a real person is going to hold your hand, walk you through, and get you started right. Where else can you get that? I don't know anywhere. I don't know anywhere else you can get live onboarding like this. Typically, you have to do your own onboarding, or there's a video that people go and watch. This is live onboarding. People come in, they have the option. As soon as you get started, you have the option to attend a live onboarding. Like you can go right into the room right away, and they're going to walk you through and show you exactly what to do. A real human being is going to do this, not AI, a real person. We use high tech and high touch to create many touch points for your leads so conversions are high. Okay, so when people really understand this, and now we offer $20 memberships, like that's ridiculous. um, Conversions are very high. They go through the roof, right? Plus with all the extra incentives they give as well. Okay, so people come in, they purchase a membership, you get paid a commission, okay, because you're a paid member. Okay, let me go to the next part. Okay, they come into the system, they get live onboarded, they get told about the different income streams. They're going to go sign up for the income streams. If you're not in those income streams, you don't get paid on those. If you are, you get paid. Okay, now understand what I'm talking about here with the $20. You probably don't have those income streams. If you do, it'd be $50. Okay, just so you know. But you can still make very good money with just $20. That's the whole point of this video. Um, so you come down and they're going to go through the live onboarding, or they're going to go through some kind of onboarding, or they're going to get trained somewhere. They're going to see an update video because they email those out where they talk about what's going on. They're going to be the creators, like all this stuff is happening, right? Anyway, they're going to learn about the system one way or the other. You're going to tell them, they're going to learn through the system, they're going to do a live onboarding, and during the live onboarding, they're going to be told about these advertising packages. So what happens is 10%, right now, that's the number. It's probably going to go up, but 10% of the people that come into the system, remember, you paid 20 bucks, came into the system, purchase an ad pack. So that means you could make, with 20 bucks, you could be making $75 over and over again. Because, as you bring different people in, different people are going to purchase. All the way up to $16,500. But 20 bucks. I hope you're getting this. But this is just an amazing, amazing system. I highly encourage you. I hope it's worth at least $20 to you. I mean, if you're in a position, this is something I do. I don't know why I do this, but I always am looking out for the little guy because I've been there. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like not to have money. I know what it feels like, to not know how you're going to pay your bills the next month. I know what it feels like. So the way I see it is if a person is hungry, if they have desire to improve their lives and they're given an opportunity, they just need to have the opportunity to go and run with it and change their life, they're going to. Now, there are other people that live in excuses and they, fall for limiting beliefs and they're victims, right? They like their sob story. So they'll come up with excuses and they'll be like, oh, well, I can't find $20. Okay, well, this isn't for you. Nor is making money online. Go get a job. You know, that's probably not for you either, but I'm just saying, like, that's the mentality. But for me, when I saw this, I was like, holy crap, $20? And the ROI is ridiculous. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't do it, to be honest. I really don't know why you wouldn't do it. Anyway, click the link in the description. Go ahead and get started. Like I said, you can come through, get your free trial. It's going to walk you through the different memberships we have, the different incentives. Go through the funnel, watch the funnel. I'm not going to play it right now, but you can go through this, go know about it. You can read through the page here. We also have an insurance plan, not on the $20, but on the other memberships is an assurance plan where if you're not in profit after 90 days, they will stop you won't have to pay your membership until you're in profit. Okay, so that's after 90 days. That's not a sign up and then, you no, after 90 days, and it's only on these two packages, the Pro and the Elite. Okay, the Plus is not part of that. So as you can see the check mark here, assurance plan, 90 day, 90 day. Okay, so those are good. Um, the 20 though does not have an insurance plan, as you can see. Okay, so that's really all I want to cover in this video. Remember, go to the link, create your free trial at minimum so you experience the system. There's no cost. You don't have to pay a dime. There's no financial risk. And if you're daring enough, you know, do the 20 bucks. And if you could go bigger, of course. It makes more sense to go bigger if you can. But the point is, you can get positioned to earn very good income. You have an opportunity being given to you here that can completely change your life for the better. Completely. In a very quick manner because of what's provided. I want to say one last thing, okay? Uh, these ad packs, okay, as you can see, we have two different ones. Right now, this is the normal one. Right here on the top, you can see 30 affiliates for the bronze, which is $300. You make a $75 commission if someone purchases it. You don't have to own the packs to get paid commissions, and it's only going to benefit you when your team does this, not only commission wise, but also throughout the income streams as well, because these are going to build up the income streams, teams, okay? But we have a founder special right now. This is going until today's the 25th. I'm making this video on the March 25th, 2025. So if you're watching this later on, this deal will be gone, okay? This is good till Thursday. Thursday. So what's that, the 27th? So if you want to get triple the numbers, triple. So you see 30 paid affiliates, 90 paid affiliates. This is the smallest package. There's way bigger ones, but I just like to keep it. We'll go up to the next one. Let's go. Copper's 95 to 80. Okay, so you can see the difference, significant difference. If you want to take advantage, I'm not saying you need to do this. You don't need to do this if all you want to do is come and get a membership and be able to earn from the various products within the Sparky system. You don't have to do any of that, right? This is optional. I don't pressure anybody to do this. I don't even tell anybody really to do this. I just say, I let you know it's here, okay? But this is going away. See, this says Founders Special. After Thursday, they're deleting these graphics. They will not offer this again. It is gone. So if you want to get the best deal that won't exist again, now is the time. Now is the time. You have till Thursday. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Click that link below. Go ahead and get started. Get your free account. Go into the live onboarding. Learn what this thing's about. Learn what this can do for you. And understand, I'm here to help you. Okay, I put people in this system pretty regularly. Without the leads in the system, I do it organically. Okay, I'm here to help you. I'm helping a guy right now. Actually, he keeps coming back to me, asking me what to say. I'm telling him what to say. In fact, he's walking a new person in right now. So I can help you. All right. So with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.